Yo, what's guys, welcome back to brand video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix if you want to purchase something from your app store on your iPhone or iPad, but ask to buy option is not showing. So how you can easily fix this issue. So there are a couple of methods to solve the problem. So hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. So the very first thing what you need to do is just you have to make sure that the toggle for the ask to buy is turned on here. So for that what you need to do is just here you have to launch your Stings app, and then here in Stings menu you have to tap here on your Apple ID profile. So after that what you need to do is just here is the family sharing, because I haven't any added family sharing group. So if you have added, what you need to do is just tap here on family sharing and you will see this type of interface. Here will be the family members group list, and here is the option of ask to buy. So what you need to do is just you have to tap here on ask to buy, and here will be ask to buy toggle. So you have to make sure that the ask to buy toggle is turned on here. So in case this toggle is turned off, you have to turn this on, and if this is already turned on, then you have to turn this off and then again turn back on, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is there are several methods to solve this issue. So go for the second method. For that what you need to do is just you have to make sure that you have correctly added the Apple ID you want to share your purchases. So for that you have to go to the same settings and then your Apple ID banner name and family sharing, and then after that what you need to do is there will be the list of the family members you have shared or you have made the family sharing group. So what you need to do is just you have to from here check that you have entered the correct Apple ID. Once you have double check that, also check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just go for the third method. For that you have to verify that you are signed in with the correct Apple ID you want to purchase. So here what you need to do is just you have to tap here on your app store, and here is the Apple ID. So here you have to make sure that you have signed in with the same Apple ID you have added for your family member purchasing. So if you have checked this one, so hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the final method. For that what you need to do is just you have to launch your Safari browser, and then here search for the contact support and contact with them. So they will ask some questions and they will fix your problem as well. So that's pretty much for today's tutorial. If the video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me know in the comment box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.